Hey guys, Wix makes building websites easy, but many beginners slip up on SEO without realizing it. If you want your Wix site to rank, here are top 5 SEO mistakes you should avoid in 2025. Mistake 1 is ignoring Wix SEO setup. Many users skip the Wix SEO setup checklist, thinking it's optional. Make sure you navigate to your Wix dashboard and click on Marketing, then simply choose SEO Setup Checklist and make sure nothing is red here. Make sure you click and improve everything here because this tool helps you quickly set up titles, meta descriptions, and basic SEO structure. Skipping it can leave your pages incomplete and hard for Google to rank. Mistake 2 is using long, messy URLs. Wix auto-generate URLs that are often clunky, like page 7 about us now. So, leaving these untouched hurts SEO. Always clean up your URLs in page SEO settings to short keyword-rich slugs like about or contact us. Now, mistake 3 is missing header tag structure. Many beginners bold their headlines but forget to use proper header tags like H1 and H2. Google relies on these to understand your content hierarchy. Each page should have just one H1 and subsections should use H2 or H3 for clarity. Mistake 4 is forgetting to submit your sitemap. Wix generates your sitemap automatically, but if you don't submit it to Google Search Console, your site may not get indexed properly. Always verify your site and submit this sitemap to help Google find and rank your pages faster. Mistake 5 is slow mobile load speeds. So Wix templates are mobile friendly, but large uncompressed images and busy layouts can still slow your site. So use compressed images, limit unnecessary animations, and test your pages with Google Mobile Speed Test to avoid ranking penalties. So, final verdict, avoid these common mistakes to get the best SEO results on Wix. Skipping basic setup, ignoring URL structure, and missing technical steps can seriously hold back your rankings. So fix these early for a smoother path to Google first page. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.